Hello, all the beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, I'm Koil, and this is my channel where I do whatever I like. So, yet again, we have come to another Sunday, and today I feel like doing something that I have been thinking about since a very long time, which is to create something special. I'm not an artist, but I do love art, and time to time every year I think about creating something very extraordinary, something very special, not in the sense that it will be very different from other artists or anything, but in the sense that from what I know, from my own niche, I want to do something different. Like, how do I explain? In my own capacity, the best I can build, I want to build that. I want to create that. And the problem with this idea is that I don't know what exactly to create. I think I'm going to make a portrait. To find out if it is going to work or not, if I'm going to make my own masterpiece or not, we have to just give it a try. That is the only way to find it out. So come on, Koil, you can do it.
I literally took 2 steps in here and already found a booth that would be great for me and a booth that's hidden nostalgia. But if this would be the winner, I don't know what would be. I feel like it's so let's do some more exploring. Bennington. I feel like Kelsey would actually like this. It reminds me of that the woman that she has in her house in the
I lost track of time. I kept working on it. It happens every time when I'm creating art. I just forget about the time, and the moment I finished, I felt so much hunger. I cannot even express. Most of the time I don't feel hungry. I skip meals a lot of times, sometimes out of choice, sometimes because I don't feel hungry at all. But when I do feel hungry, it's a disaster, because then I instantly want food or else I will cry. I cannot control my emotions on those days. So today was something like that. It happened so instantly that I just lost it. I could not figure out what to do. Then I just jumped into my kitchen and started working on it. Now I'm full and I'm much better. My headache have vanished like whoosh. Now it is time for the great reveal. I'm so excited and happy because when it comes to art, I'm very very bad at it. But I always try because I want to be better at it. So this particular project was very special to me, and now that it is complete and I'm looking at it, it feels so special. I know other artists can do so much better, who are real artists, but the thing is, this piece of art is better than what I used to do earlier. So this is still a masterpiece to me in my gallery. So I love it so much. I love red color, so I had her wear a red salwar kameez, and then there's a dupatta on which there is bindi. Now I don't know if it is visible on the camera or not, but yeah, it's there. And then the black bindi. I usually wear black bindi this size, so I made her wear that as well. And of course these earrings. Now you might think that why did I break this earring? It could be worn by me or someone else. The thing is, the problem with this particular one was that it wasn't going with my complexion. For some reason it made me look very odd, so I never wore it, and it was just there lying around. So I thought, why not use it over here? It looks so much prettier on her. So I guess, some things are made for a particular people. So it was her turn to wear it, and she is rocking it. I love it so much. I'm so happy. Now I'm going to share it with all the artists in my contact and see what their reaction will be. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and even if you did not like it, please just appreciate my attempt. And yeah, that will be it. Let's see what I do next Sunday, and if you want to know, keep watching my channel.